Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 20 May 2024. In this video, let us generate weekly reports by including Friday's special trading day data. Even before that, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete training from our YouTube channel. You just get into this community tab, click on this community tab, you can find this post, and here you have a link, a YouTube link that will take you to the training videos. Just click on this playlist. Now you get access to supply demand zone price action course. Here you have all the training videos. Scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, all training lessons are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons. I also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in that channel. Each time when we provide an update, you will get in that channel. Now let's generate the reports. So entry time frame is weekly because we are generating weekly reports. First we will find the stocks near weekly demand zone. So 3 stocks are filtered which are near to the weekly demand zone. I'll be giving you only few seconds to watch this video and then move on to the next report. So please pause the video and then you can study all these parameters. In case if you are not aware of how to understand this report or how to study this report, please complete our training lesson 21.1. That is part 1 of lesson 21. So in that video, I have provided the complete explanation about this report. So I am going back. For weekly time frame, let us find the stocks near weekly supply zone. So 15 stocks are filtered near to the weekly supply zone. So let me go back. For weekly time frame, let us find the stocks where price closed inside weekly demand zone. We have around 20 stocks are filtered. This is the first 17 stocks. Let me scroll down. So total 20 stocks where price closed inside weekly demand zone. So I am going back. For weekly time frame, let us find the stocks where price closed inside weekly supply zone. So we have a good big list. Even Nifty 50 also, price closed inside weekly supply zone. So let me scroll down. Total 39 stocks are filtered where price closed inside weekly supply zone. Going back. For weekly time frame, let us find the weekly demand zones tested during this week. The stocks having weekly demand zones tested. So these 9 stocks having weekly demand zones are tested. Similarly, we will find the tested supply zones. I am going back. For weekly time frame, let us find the stocks having tested supply zones during this week. So these 10 stocks having supply zones are tested during this week. Now let us find newly created zones. Weekly time frame. Let's find newly created demand zones during this week. I mean stocks having newly created demand zones. These 18 stocks are having newly created weekly demand zones. I'm going back. For weekly time frame, let us find the stocks having newly created weekly supply zones. So no weekly supply zones are created during this week. Now let us find the stocks having a weekly EMA confluence. So I'm selecting entry time frame weekly. Here we have EMA confluence in weekly time frame. Let us identify weekly demand zones having weekly EMA confluence. So this is the weekly demand zone having weekly EMA confluence. But weekly confluence, any confluence is valid only in the trending market. Because this is the demand zone, uptrend is valid for us. So in zone violation trend, in weekly time frame, I am selecting the trend as uptrend. Let us filter. If we get a big list, we will also further filter using trend based on higher highs and higher lows, or lower highs and lower lows. First I am checking only based on zone violation trend. So we got a big list. Before further filter this list, let us see how many stocks are there. Let me scroll down. So 59 stocks are there. If pivot trend means swing based trend, higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, lower lows, equal high and equal low. So based on the trend calculation, also supporting uptrend, probably those stocks are having a very strong trend. So I'm going back. What I'm doing, even the pivot high low trend also in weekly time frame, I'm setting uptrend. Let me further filter the 59 stocks. Now the list is reduced to 25 stocks. So first 23 in this list. Let me scroll down. So total 25 stocks. So these 25 stocks are having demand zone with weekly EMA confluence, and also they trend both based on zone violation, and also pivot high low trend is also uptrend on weekly time frame. Now let us look into weekly supply zones having weekly EMA confluence. Selecting entry time frame weekly, and in EMA confluence in weekly time frame, this time I am selecting supply zone having weekly EMA confluence. WEMAC means weekly EMA confluence. But EMA confluence is valid only in the trending market. So because this is a supply zone, let us select downtrend. Only such kind of stocks are having high probability setup. So zone violation trend, I am selecting downtrend. If the list is big, let pivot trend also will set, otherwise we will limit to this zone violation trend. Let me generate. 11 stocks are filtered. These 11 stocks are having supply zones having weekly EMA confluence, and also the trend is downtrend. Look into the fourth one, Bandhan Bank. This is an all-time low stock. That's why it doesn't have any demand zone. In case if you want to know how many stocks supporting both the trends as a downtrend, let me go back. Even pivot high low trend, that is swing trend, swing based trend is also on weekly time frame. I am selecting down. See, both weekly trends are down. Let us see how many stocks are filtered from the 11 stocks. Now the 11 is come down to 5 stocks. And in the final report, maybe you might be having a favorite stock you want to refer without any filters. I am selecting weekly time frame and generating all the stocks. So first 17 in this list are indices, sectorial indices. Remaining all are equity stocks, but we have taken from F&O category. So I'm scrolling this list down by giving you only few seconds time. So any of your favorite stock there, you please pause the video. So let me scroll down. So this is the complete list. Hope this information will be helpful to you. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.